Hey, how is it going? Welcome to Life in Florida channel. My name is Ari. Today I will be actually making an update video on the Cocoplums. This can be used as a hedge. You can see how much it grew from last year. If you will see the other video, you will be surprised. It's not a fast grower by any means, but it's kind of like a slow to moderate grower. And we certainly had the weather that it definitely helped the growth on this one. You can see I planted about 20 of them last year, and right now, let's see how tall they are. Well, they're still not super tall. They're about 5 feet or so. It's a native plant that it is very useful and underrated. You can eat the fruit. This is the inside of it. It's enjoyable. Not like a super strong flavor or anything, but it kind of reminds me to the cotton candy texture, like a little better the cotton candy, but reminds me to the texture with a big seed in the middle. There is still flesh on the seed, and the good thing about this one, you can eat the fruit and the seed too. The seed is pretty high oil content, about 20%, I believe so. And people also using the root system and the leaves for medicinal uses. I never tried it for that reason, but the fruit itself contains phytochemicals and phytonutrients that it would fight diseases and such. As for propagation, you can plant a cutting, you can air layer them, or you can plant it from seed. I did plant a couple of them from seed, and they growing very well from seed, but they will take a little bit. They take a while. Like I said, they're not like a super fast grower, especially when they start to grow. But it's definitely worth to plant it. Ton of health benefits, not a huge flavor, but yet very useful fruit and seed. There is a couple of varieties. This one is the deep purple. There is a pinker variety, and there is also white variety. I mostly see this color variety many times in parking lots. It's a native plant that it is very useful and underrated. You can make jams from it. You can toast the seeds, or you can eat it fresh. You can make candles from it and soaps because of the high oil content. As for how many plants I have been planting the last couple of years, we were up to 181 with the peanut butter trees and seedlings, and with the 20 cocoplums, we are up to 201, and there is still a lot more to count. That there is a lot more than what I thought that would be. But let's see. I will see you guys later with some other fruit trees or other edible plant videos, and I will continue counting to see how many there is. Alrighty guys, see you later. Have a good one. Bye.